Intramembranous ossification happens in all flat bones of the body. Flat bones include the skull, clavicle, facial, and cranial bones. It consists of a layer of spongy bone between two flat, thin layers of compact bone. It is also known as cortical bone. They are composed of calcium salts, which are a silvery, moderately hard metallic element. The enzyme alkaline phosphatase acts as a catalyst in this. These are proteins found in all body tissues. Intramembranous ossification is also called dermal ossification. It starts with the mesenchymal cells. They are located in areolar tissue, and they are stem cells that can differentiate into fibroblasts, macrophages, osteoblasts, etc. It is a very loose looking, as it is illustrated. Ossification center, is a site where bone begins to form in a specific bone or part of a bone as a result of accumulation of osteoblasts in the connective tissue. Osseous branches, known as specules, form in the center of the dermal region. These are a small, slender-pointed structure or crystal. As specules interconnect, they trap blood vessels within the bone. The trapped osteoblasts become osteocytes. So right there. Osteoblasts are the cells that make bone. Osteo means bone, and blast means make. They secrete the matrix for bone formation. The bone matrix is an intracellular substance of bone tissue, consisting of collagen fibers, ground substance, and inorganic bone salts. Some of the osteoblasts mature into osteocytes, which are housed in the lacunae, which is a gap or depression in a bone. They will eventually touch one another, forming trabeculi, which is the third step. Fusing together and growing themselves around blood vessels through the process of bone remodeling. Blood vessels are a tubular structure carrying blood through the tissues and organs. And bone remodeling is a lifelong process where mature bone tissue is removed from the skeleton and new bone tissue is formed. Osteocytes at the end of spongy bone, also known as trabecular bone, can reorganize themselves into tightly packed bundles known as osteons, which are the building blocks of compact bone. It then gives periosteum and medullary cavities. Periosteum is a lining of bone. It consists of an outer fibrous layer and an inner cellular layer. It is a vascular connective tissue, which are living cells in a non-living matrix. The medullary cavities is the central cavity of bone shafts, where red or yellow bone marrow is stored. It is also known as the marrow cavity. Spongy bone's vascular tissue becomes red marrow, and that is the fourth step of intramembranous ossification, which sums it up.
And it's dark in a cold December, but I got you to keep me warm.